stop sign wasn't too good. Do you have your license?
Yeah. Can I get off?
Yeah. Yeah, because technically...
Yeah, I know. I didn't put my feet down, but...
Well, you were still probably above first gear.
No, I was still in first.
Okay. Yeah, it was pretty...
I mean, I got my GoPro rolling, but...
Well, I do too. I got 3 cameras on you.
Yeah, no, I know.
Plus a microphone.
I mean, I know I didn't, like, do it complete all the way, you know?
Well, the key is you're dressed right, you got a helmet, you have an M, you may be good with that, but...
Yeah.
We're also asked to kind of do something.
Oh, I hear you.
Because this is a pretty busy, yeah, okay, that's good. Because there's a warrant on a female with a similar name. I don't know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's funny. Whenever there's similar
Hey, I'm all good, man.
It's crazy. Yeah, hang tight.
Yeah.
But anyhow, watch your stop sign.
All right, I appreciate that. Like I said, I know I didn't do the complete stop, man. I'm an honest guy, you know, I appreciate it, but...
You'll be good.
I did it, and then I looked, I see, I'm like, he's coming.
You know he's doing his job.
Yeah, I know.
All right,
Yep.
put your helmet back
Yep.
on.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Yeah, be safe.